Hello everyone, this video we will look at the dimmer solution, that is D16 smart dimmer, and this we have developed is KC868 AP dimmer board. So what is the difference between these two boards? So let's firstly we look at the D16. The D16 you can use the Ethernet and the Wi-Fi. So this can use mobile phone, use the 2-year application, remote control the dimmer by the internet. And also you can integrate to this board to Home Assistant, so that can work in locally with the Home Assistant and the 2-year application by the internet, so that can work at the same time and update the state for each application. And also you can see this D16 have a red RF receiver module, so you can use any RF remote, just 433 MHz remote, that the signal can be learning from this red receive module. So you can use the remote and use your mobile phone, and even use this wall switch for manually controlling this LED strip or the lamp. So this is the D16, and this board is AP board that you need to download the ESP home firmware to use by the Home Assistant, or you can write your own Arduino code to this board begin to use. So this also has the digital input. You can connect with this wall switch panel, and this is output. The output, because we have included the driver chip on the board, so you just need to only connect with the LED strip to this board directly. But this is D16. You can see here have connect with a driver. This driver and connect to the load to the lamp. So if you have 16-channel LED strip, you will have 16-channel driver. But this board, you can work without external driver, because the driver chip is already have designed on the board. So if you have many LED strip, you just connect with this strip to this terminal directly. Let's look at these ones. You can see that is the LED strip. This time I have used 24 volt of the power supply. So you can see this cable I have connected 24 volt, and this is the ground. And here you can see that is for LED strip. The LED strip, you can see these 5 cables, because I have used RGBW LED strip. So this black one, that is for power supply. That is for, if you have choose this is 24 volt. So this cable is connected with the power supply terminal directly. That is for 24 volt. And this is for the color red, and this is for green, and this is for blue, and this is for white. So that means RGBW, and this is power supply. So if you have RGBW LED strip, you will use these 5 cables, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cables. So if you have another LED strip, also use RGBW, you can see here we have caused the 4 channel of the PWM output. So if you have the second LED strip, you can connect with this 5, 6, 7, 8, this 4 channel, and for the LED strip, and connect with the power supply to this orange terminal. So this orange terminal is 24 volt. 24 volt, so you can connect with this second, and this is third one, and this is fourth. So if you have RGBW strip, LED strip, you can totally connect with these 4 picks of this board and just connect to this terminal directly. So this driver, every driver chip have 3 ampere to drive this LED strip. Okay, this is the hardware details of the terminal of the AP board. Okay, let's look at this D16, the hardware interface, how to wind. You can see this is 16-channel output connect with the different LED strip or LED lamp. This is channel 1. The channel 1 output, you can see here, that output 0 to 10 volt to this driver. And this driver will connect to this lamp for 24 volt or 12 volt. This time I have tested with the 12 volt. So let's look at see these details. This is the driver of the LED strip or LED lamp. So let's look at how to wind. And you can see that this is L and this is N. So this is 220 volt L and this is neutral line. And here you can see that is for dimmer, for positive and for negative. So you just connect with this two wire for changing the brightness of the LED strip. So the totally have 4 lamp. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wire have connect with this driver. Then you can see the another is output. This is output have connect to this lamp. So this lamp you can see just the power for this lamp. Okay, let's test this D16. I have connect with this lamp and you can see I have power on. I can change this by the two-wire application. When I turn on, this is brightness is to 99%. That is max brightness. And also you can turn off. Just will change to 0. When change to 0, that output LED, red LED is off. So if I have changed a little, you can see the red LED is on. And when I change the percent, and this LED percent of the brightness will be also changed. So I can change. So you can see that will be change this LED lamp. This 12 volt LED lamp. Okay, I can close it. Okay, let's test this home assistant application. Work with this LED strip that is 24 volt. This power supply is 24 volt. Have connect with this terminal for this board and for this LED strip power supply. So I have connect with the channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. And in my home assistant, we have uploaded the configure YAML file on our form. So you can see I can turn on this channel 1. That is red. That is red. So you can see I can also change the brightness. Change the brightness. You can see where it works smoothly. And turn off. So the channel 2, that is green. Turn on and turn off. And also I can change the brightness. Change the brightness. And change the brightness. Okay, turn off. And the third, I have connect with the blue. That is for blue. So also we can change the brightness. Change the brightness and turn off. And the last one, that is RGBW. So that is for white. If you LED strip is RGB, no W, just no white color. So this is change the brightness of the white. I can turn off. So this I have connected this 4 line with the 4 different independently channel. So if you can turn on this 4 channel, so you can change the color. And also you can create the home assistant. You can use 1 lamp just for this RGBW. So because I have to test every channel, so I have create every channel output directly, independently. So I think you can also just use this way, and so that you can change color easily manually. So this is create 1 lamp at RGB LDW and manage this 4 channel by this 1 icon, just by this. And also you can see this is for the relay and turn on and turn off. This is just for relay on and off, not for dimmer. So this I have created the 16 channel output. You can see here I can turn off. Okay, this is the home assistant work with the AP board I think now you can understand what's the difference between this board and this board, and I think you can choose the suitable product for your project. Okay, thanks for watching.